This isn't just an old truck, this is the machine that built back roads, hauled America through the 80s, and still growls louder than half the trucks on the road today. The 1984 Chevrolet K-10 isn't restored history, it's raw V8 attitude on four wheels. And once you hear it start, you'll understand why collectors are paying serious money for a piece of square body legend. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you love classic American trucks, raw V8 power, and machines built like absolute tanks, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because today we're stepping into one of the most iconic square body pickups ever built, the legendary 1984 Chevrolet K-10. This isn't just a truck. This is blue-collar muscle. This is American steel at its purest form. Back in 1984, trucks weren't trying to be luxury SUVs. They weren't overloaded with screens, sensors, or digital assistants. They were built to work, built to haul, built to climb, and built to last decades. And the K-10 does exactly that with style that refuses to age. The first thing that grabs your attention is that unmistakable square body design. The sharp lines, the bold grille, the wide stance. It looks aggressive without even trying. That chrome front bumper reflects like a mirror under the sun, while the classic dual rectangular headlights give it a serious, no-nonsense stare. This truck doesn't smile at you, it dares you. Under the hood, most 1984 K-10 models came equipped with a 5.0-liter or 5.7-liter small block V8. We're talking about real torque, real rumble. The kind of engine note that vibrates through your chest when you turn the key. No push-button start here. You twist the ignition and wake up pure mechanical thunder. The carbureted V8 breathes deep, and when you press the throttle, it responds instantly with that old-school growl we all love. And let's talk about capability. The K in K-10 means 4x4. This truck was built for mud, snow, gravel, ranch roads, construction sites, you name it. With a solid front axle and leaf spring suspension, it's rugged, simple, and nearly indestructible. Shifted into four-wheel drive, and it feels unstoppable. This isn't all-wheel drive convenience, this is mechanical engagement. You feel it lock in. You feel the truck rise with confidence. Step inside, and you're greeted by pure 80s simplicity. A wide bench seat, a straightforward dash, analog gauges with bold white lettering, no distractions. Just you, the steering wheel, and the road ahead. The interior may be simple, but it's honest. The kind of cabin that smells like gasoline, leather, and hard work. The metal door shuts with a heavy clunk, a sound modern trucks just can't replicate. Driving this truck is an experience. The steering is heavier than today's featherlight systems. The ride is firm. You sit high above traffic, commanding the road. Every bump reminds you that you're in a body-on-frame machine built with thick steel. And yet, there's something addictive about it. It feels alive, connected, real. Back in 1984, the K-10 was affordable and practical. Today, clean examples are becoming serious collector vehicles. Prices for well-maintained models are climbing fast, especially restored square bodies with upgraded suspension, fresh paint, and rebuilt V8s. Enthusiasts are paying premium money for trucks that once sat in farm fields, and that tells you everything about its legacy. Customization is another reason the K-10 remains iconic. Lift kits, oversized all-terrain tires, chrome accents, custom interiors. This truck is a blank canvas. Whether you want a show-ready classic or an off-road beast, the platform handles it all. And because of its mechanical simplicity, it's incredibly DIY friendly. You can wrench on it in your own garage without needing a laptop. But here's the real magic of the 1984 Chevrolet K-10. It represents a different era, an era when trucks were tools first and luxury second, when durability mattered more than touchscreen size, when engines roared instead of hummed. It's nostalgic, yes, but it's also timeless. Park this truck next to a brand new pickup, and you'll notice something interesting. The new truck might have more horsepower, more tech, more comfort, but the K-10 has character. It has presence. It tells a story before you even drive it. It reminds us why we fell in love with trucks in the first place. If you're lucky enough to own one, you're not just driving a vehicle. You're preserving a piece of American automotive history, and if you're hunting for one, now might be the time before prices climb even higher. This is more than a review, this is appreciation. This is respect for a machine that refuses to fade away. The 1984 Chevrolet K-10 isn't trying to impress anyone, and that's exactly why it does. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the toughest classics ever built, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment below, and let me know, would you restore one, lift one, or keep it bone stock? I'll see you in the next one.